Another unboxing. Welcome guys to another unboxing of my cycling peripherals. Today I will unbox my bike computer, which is the IGPS Sport or IGP Sport BSC 100S Smart Bike Computer. So I purchased this from Shopee around less than 2,000, I guess. My wife is using this as her bike computer when we go riding. By the way, my wife is using an MTB, a Trek Marlin 5 MTB. So let's unbox this bike computer. Out of the box, it has the bike computer itself. To turn it on, simply press and hold this button on the left. Okay, so it will turn on. There you go. Then quick user guide, and then some accessories to mount your bike computer on your handlebar or on your stem. Alright, so again, this is my IGP Sports BSC 100 Smart Bike Computer from IGP Sports. So I'll flash the complete specs of this bike computer here. Alright, thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye bye.